Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to give Google AdSense account access to another user. This is particularly useful when you're working with a team or need to delegate certain tasks to a colleague or freelancer while maintaining control over your account. First, open your browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has administrative privileges, as this is required to grant access to other users. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense dashboard. Take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Here, click on Account. This section is where you manage all the core settings and administrative features of your AdSense account. Within the Account section, you'll notice several options available. Look for Access and Authorization and click on it. This area controls who can view and manage different aspects of your account. From the options presented, select User Management. This is the specific tool that allows you to add new users and assign them appropriate permissions. Now you're ready to add your new user. Click on New User to begin the invitation process. This will open a dialog box where you can input the necessary information for the person you want to grant access to. In the field provided, type in the email address of the person you wish to invite. Make sure you're entering the correct email, as this is where they'll receive their invitation and will use to access your AdSense account. After you've entered the email address, click Invite User. Google will now send an invitation to that email address with instructions on how to accept and access your account. Here's an important point to note. The person you've invited needs to check their email and accept the invitation before they can access your AdSense account. They should look for an email from Google AdSense, open it, and follow the provided link to accept the invitation. Once they complete this step, they'll have the access you've granted them. And that's it. You've successfully given another user access to your Google AdSense account. This simple process makes collaboration much easier and helps you manage your account more efficiently without sharing your primary login credentials. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.